Hi, 280 students. My name's Abby. I'm the student research coordinator for the psych department. Um, I'm here as a resource to students when they're doing their theses and working through the thing that you guys are getting into. You won't need me too much this semester, but um, next semester will probably be more contact and um, yeah, you guys will see me around more next semester as you get into all that fun stuff. Um, So if you need anything this semester, my office is on the third floor. It's room 320. You can email me. You can leave me a voicemail if you want it. I have a phone up here. So however you need to get a hold of me for anything that you need, I'm here for. I do have a Blackboard page, like an organization page. So if you go to Blackboard, you go to organizations. If you type in research up in this little search bar, this will come up, and this is the page that gives you access to anything that you'll need next semester, really. But if you go to information, you can find my office hours for this semester. If you wanted to meet, we could also do a collaborate. Here's my email up here where my office is. So yeah, whatever you need this semester, I'd be happy to try and help with. But again, we'll probably see each other more next semester. So good luck with getting your whole theses up and running. That's always fun. Have a good semester, and I'll be seeing you guys around. Thank you.